Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will once again show you another tool that I deployed on my website freemediatools.com. So this I developed in Node.js Express. So this tool is find and replace text online. So you have seen these tools guys in many applications, Notepad and also many web applications as well. So it's a complete web application. So let's suppose if you have a lot of text in which you need to find and replace. Let's suppose I say here India wiki. So let me copy this paragraph here, guys. So paste it here. So what this application is all about, guys. So here we basically pasted our text right here. So whatever text that you have, you can paste it inside this text area. Then the second thing is that you need to basically find and replace. So let's suppose I need to replace this India, wherever this India is repeating right here, I need to replace it with anything that I want to do. So I will simply write here, if you see, we will write here India, and it will search all the occurrences of India wherever it is repeating, and we will replace it by New Zealand. So click on find and replace text, guys. So what will happen, guys, it will, wherever India is repeating right here, you can see it has replaced this India with New Zealand. So it's a complete dynamic application, guys. So if you have a lot of text that you want to find and replace, you can do this very easily using this application. The link is given. You can try out this application. I have also given the full source code. You can purchase the full source code as stripe.com in Indian rupees or PayPal and United States dollar. So all the source code is given. So it can occur in multiple locations, guys. You can see India is one of the first. Again, India is one of the last. So again, if I see, you will see that. So again, it has replaced in multiple scenarios. You can see that. So in this way, guys, this is a find and replace text tool that I developed here on my website, Free Media Tools. And let me also show you how I developed this. So this is my Node.js application. EJS template here and find and replace text. So here basically this is the interface of this application. We have a simple div area where we allow the user to enter the text in the text area. Then we allow the user to find the text and replace, find, replace, and then we have a button right here. And right after that, we have output text where we will be displaying our output text, which is there. So after that, guys, we make use of jQuery. We basically get all the variables, input text, target text, replace text, and the resultant text. So here we are using these methods, guys, which is split. First of all, we split the text, and then we use the join method. So these two functions, we are using it inside ES6 JavaScript to actually make this online tool. And we have backend server running here. You will get all the source code after you purchase it. So this is the actual tool, guys. You can try out. The link is given before you purchase it. Thank you very much for watching this video.